Good evening, Imtiaz. Can I please request you to introduce the cast and everyone in the film?
Yes. I was just thinking that this is not Sunaina's first release because the previous movies of hers that have released have actually been directed by me. And I don't know how passionately she must have worked in this one because she has worked in Jab We Met, Love Aajkal, and Rockstar at least more passionately than I have. While she was making this movie, I was a little scared, and because I felt that this is one person who, like the proverbial Phatinga, can burn herself in the flame of movie making. She is here in coordinated clothes, as you shall see a little later. And I have also not been nervous on my own releases, but somehow I feel that I'm a little nervous today because it is Sunaina's first film. I've seen the film, so I have no doubt about it. But it gives me a very strange kind of happiness as though things have moved on in my life as I invite Sunaina Bhatnagar over here to show herself for the first time in this big bad world of cinema. Sunaina.
Thank you so much for being here. It's a little overwhelming for me to be standing here and having people actually look at the trailer and see the film for the first time. So thank you so much, every one of you, for being here. People in the crew, our team, refer to this film as a small miracle because each one of us put in everything we had. There are a lot of people here who it's their first film or their second. And so there was a lot of passion and a lot of heart and a lot of emotion that went into making this. So I'm thanking you from the bottom of my heart for being here today, and I hope you enjoy the film. Thank you.
It was many years back when I was making my first film that I was invited by a neighbor to come and meet a very special guest. And I walked into that small apartment in Andheri West and sitting cross-legged on the floor and drinking water from the tap was none other than Manisha Koirala.
Woohoo!
I was so overwhelmed to see her that I did not have the courage to tell you that time, ma'am, that you are the most beautiful woman that I have seen for decades in cinema. I'm not saying one of the most, you are the most beautiful woman who I have seen for decades in cinema while I was a cinema lover. And it's actually a privilege of mine. I must also confess that you were the only actor, female, whose movies I used to go and see because you were in it, regardless of who's directing, just because you looked so good. I am not going to take away the critical acclaim that you have got for your acting, but even preceding that was just, this was my personal confession. I used to tell everybody about this, and I'm telling this to you. It's my privilege. We've waited for you for a very long time to be on Celluloid back again, and it gives us and all of us great happiness that you are here in Dear Maya.
Thank you, Imtiaz, for saying such wonderful things. I'm a big fan of your movies. So, uh, where do I begin? When Sunaina got me this script, I was actually bowled over. And it was a beautifully written script. And I said, I have to do this. And we worked, we rehearsed, we've gone in our journey up and down, and so much of passion. And one thing that Imtiaz ji has spoken about Sunaina, her passion towards filmmaking, which is really incredible. And she's looking all glam right now. But if you see her on the set, you will...
There's an internal joke going on, please ignore.
So she's like so focused on her work, and So it was an incredible journey, incredible experience working in this movie with all the young, talented actors and amazing producers, you know. So, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the trailer, and I hope you guys like the film. It's been a lot of hard work and sweat and love and passion gone into it. I hope you enjoy that. And Imtiaz, really, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And I didn't know. Thank you so much.
Could I also call upon the stage Shreya Singh Chaudhary, who has played Ira.
Woohoo!
All the best to you, Shreya.
Thank you so much, sir. Firstly, I'd just like to thank everyone for being here. And I actually owe a very, very big thank you to my director and my producer for giving me this opportunity. This is my first film, and I have learned so much. And Manisha ma'am, you are a true inspiration. Thank you so much for everything, for all your motivation, and just for being the humble person that you are. I have learned so much on this film, and please do watch the film on 2nd June. And I hope you do enjoy it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Imtiaz sir.
And could I now call upon stage the presenter of the movie, also a filmmaker, representing CEO, he's the CEO of Wave Cinemas, Mr. Rahul Mitra.
Good evening, everybody. Thanks, all of you, for coming and joining us today. जब मैंने पहली दफ़ा ये फिल्म देखी तो एहसास हुआ कि इतनी प्यारी, इतनी खूबसूरत, इतनी स्लाइस ऑफ लाइफ फिल्म दर्शकों के सामने लाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. I think it's a beautiful film, the kind of cinema that I've personally always believed in. That's the kind of cinema I seek. And more importantly, I think Sunaina, the way she has made this film, जिस खूबसूरती से उन्होंने फिल्म बनाई है और जितना हमको मज़ा आया फिल्म देखने में, उतना ही मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ और आशा करता हूँ कि सबको आएगा. And as we all know that Manisha, apart from being the most beautiful woman, is also one of the finest actresses we have. And I think more importantly for me and for everyone, she's a fighter, she's a survivor, and she's a victor. So let's give her for that. And I think as we are, this movie is about to release, I think it's also about woman power, because we have Sunaina, we have Manisha, we have Shobna. So, you know, with such lovely ladies, I think let's celebrate, you know, the power of women as well.
Absolutely.
And I would really like all of you to go and watch the film with your relatives, with your family, and इस film का भरपूर लुत्फ उठाएं आप लोग. Thank you very much.
There is Shobna and my friend Sandeep. Congratulations.
जब सुनैना मेरे पास पहली बार आई स्क्रिप्ट लेके, हमने सुनी तो स्पीचलेस, कुछ सोचने को नहीं था. और एक ये ऐसी विमेन की स्टोरी जो एकदम होपलेस हो चुकी थी, और उसके बाद उसका ये सफ़र और ज़िंदगी में दोबारा लौटना, और उसी को रिप्रेजेंट करते हुए आज मैंने रेड कलर पहना, बिकॉज द रेड इज़ द कलर ऑफ लाइफ. ये सुनैना का वो था, और मनीषा जी ने इसको बहुत अच्छा पर्दे पे उतारा. तो ये हम लोगों के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. और हमारे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने सपना देखा है विमेन एम्पावरमेंट का, उसी को हम रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं. विमेन प्रोड्यूसर, विमेन डायरेक्टर, एंड ऑफ कोर्स मनीषा कोइराला. थैंक यू सो मच.
First of all, I've been very fortunate to work with Imtiaz sir, and this film may also come to us only because of him, because I've met Sunaina on the set of Love Aajkal and Rockstar. So the moment I read the script, I feel like I think this is the film which, including my partner Shobna also told me, I think this should be our first production film, Sandeep, because it's a lovely story. And thank you so very much for everything, Imtiaz sir.
And Mr. Anupam Roy, who's done the music of this film, congratulations for the National Award yesterday. Mr. Anupam Roy, please come and say something.
A very good evening. Thank you so much. I would like to thank my director Sunaina for choosing me, for selecting me to do the music. It's a huge, huge responsibility for doing the songs as well as the BGM, the background score. And also I would like to thank Irshad ji for agreeing to write the lyrics for the songs. It's a huge, huge thing for me. And it's a lovely film. I've watched it many times. And I wish all the best to the team. I hope it turns out great. Thank you.
And he said it already, Mr. Irshad Kamil. Award-winning lyricist.
अच्छा, मुझे कल नहीं मिला है अवार्ड, इनको मिला है कल। जो दोस्त आपके साथ शुरू से जुड़े हुए होते हैं, उनके साथ जुड़े रहना आपका फ़र्ज़ भी होता है और ये ज़रूरी भी होता है। तो जैसा कि इम्तियाज़ भाई ने बताया कि जब वी मेट में सुनैना थी और फिर लव आजकल में सुनैना थी, फिर रॉक स्टार में सुनैना थी, तो डियर माया में भी सुनैना थी और उसमें भी इरशाद कामिल था, तो डियर माया में इरशाद कामिल क्यों नहीं होता, तो वो उसमें भी साथ है। और बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया कि इसने अपना ये भरोसा मुझ पे बनाए रखा। उन तीन पिक्चरों में मेरा काम देखने के बाद भी उन पिक्चरों में मेरा काम देखने के बावजूद अपना भरोसा बनाए रखा है इसने। तो उसके लिए मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ। और बहुत अच्छी, वाकई बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर है और बड़ी फैमिली एंटरटेनिंग, बहुत ही इमोशनल किस्म की पिक्चर है। प्लीज़ आप ज़रूर देखिएगा ये पिक्चर, क्योंकि ऐसी पिक्चरें जिसमें जो सच्ची हो और अच्छी हो, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कम ही बनने लग गई हैं आजकल। बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत बहुत।
Thank you.
And I also want to call Sandeep and Manik, who've done the art and the sound. I see them sitting over there. Please join us. And Neil, of course, yes. Neil, who's acting in the movie as well. So this is all the usual suspects. And I think now we can have the press ask questions. झगड़ा नहीं करना यार तुम लोग, हाँ? शांति से।